The world of fitness and personal transportation has a new and intriguing entrant, the Chameleon Trike. This innovative tricycle, designed for a comprehensive full-body workout, is capturing the attention of fitness enthusiasts and gadget lovers alike. The Chameleon Trike stands out with its unique design, which combines the best aspects of a traditional tricycle with cutting-edge fitness technology. Unlike standard bikes or trikes, the Chameleon Trike is engineered to provide a full-body workout, engaging not just the legs but also the arms and core. This holistic approach to exercise ensures that users can achieve a balanced and effective workout routine, all while enjoying the outdoors. The trike structure is simple yet effective, designed without chains or sprockets, which makes it a low-maintenance option. The rider uses both their arms and legs to propel the trike, resulting in a smooth, fluid motion that works multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This dual-action pedaling system enhances cardiovascular fitness, strength, and endurance, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their overall health. One of the standout features of the Chameleon Trike is its ability to provide a full-body workout. Traditional cycling primarily focuses on the lower body, but the Chameleon Trike's design ensures that the upper body gets just as much attention. This means users can strengthen their arms, shoulders, back, and core muscles, all while pedaling through their favorite routes. Moreover, the trike is touted as an effective calorie-burning machine. Because it engages more muscle groups than standard bicycles, users can burn more calories in less time. This makes it a fantastic tool for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. The intensity of the workout can be adjusted by simply increasing the speed or adding resistance, making it suitable for all fitness levels. The Chameleon Trike is designed with user comfort and accessibility in mind. It features an ergonomic seating position that reduces strain on the back and joints, allowing users to ride for extended periods without discomfort. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may have mobility issues or those recovering from injuries, as the trike provides a low-impact form of exercise that is gentle on the body. Additionally, the trike's wide, stable base and three-wheel design ensure that it is easy to balance, even for beginners. This stability, combined with the intuitive pedaling mechanism, makes it accessible to a wide range of users, from fitness enthusiasts to casual riders. While still a niche product, the Chameleon Trike has the potential to make significant waves in both the fitness and personal transportation markets. Its unique combination of exercise and mobility could appeal to urban commuters looking for an efficient and healthy way to travel. Furthermore, fitness centers and rehabilitation facilities might find the trike to be a valuable addition to their equipment, offering clients a fun and effective way to stay active. In conclusion, the Chameleon Trike is more than just a tricycle, it's a versatile fitness tool that promises to revolutionize how we think about exercise and transportation. With its full-body workout capabilities, ergonomic design, and user-friendly features, it has the potential to become a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and urban commuters alike.